Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to open a Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP, using the RBC Mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I head to the bottom right and tap on the More icon. From there, I scroll down to where it says Products and select Open an Account. Once I'm on that page, I go to the bottom and press on Investments. At this point, I'm given a few different options depending on how I want to invest. I can choose RBC Invest Ease if I want a hands-off approach, RBC Royal Bank for something in between, or RBC Direct Investing if I want full control. For this example, I go with RBC Direct Investing since I prefer managing my own investments. Once I'm in, I scroll down to find the Registered Retirement Savings Plan option. I select it, continue forward, and then complete the process by verifying my information and following the prompts. Overall, it's a pretty smooth and straightforward process, and it's a solid way to start building long-term retirement savings. So yeah, that's exactly how I open an RRSP using the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.